Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to update Bank of China mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store on your device. Here, tap on the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on the search bar, search for Bank of China. From here, find the app labeled with Bank of China and go through it. Here, if you see update button instead of open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on update button, it will take some time and then your application will update it to the latest version. Here, in my case, as you can see, there is open button. That means I'm using the latest version of this application. In this way, you can easily update China mobile banking application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.